Hebrew 666 on the can. But my interest is the word monster.
Kublaya pibaro kinong pe yakane ka video mentakas ni nganya tuyo pish pang ne jingdi bakar tang monster energy wai baro ngiyatip shpang jong ne jingdi bat udon ru ki tupia bang shepong kisan jong ne monster energy te mentang nya tu shpang ne jingdi hato ubas niu ne baba kat jing lap jong kiru start ne udai ubas niu ya une jingdi lashna Patrick April 2000 Hungary United California but the company bashna ya une jingdi kadai ke Hansen Nature Company te hato balai ki ong ba une jingdi kadai basniu ya une jingdi lakhang persya ru bandi ki knarit ne ki kilo une jingdi udai ruwai jingdi badon edik kum kiwe kijingdi wai hooi ula bandai jingdi basni akum kajing mutur jengaru tiap monster kabamut ayu monster kabamut dai murat bani murat klau murat kinsyama monster energy kabamut kabuar jong murat ma nakata kadau ula bandai basniu nomor labu kertang yang dapat kertang jong umarat tang bawat kuslai mau yang unew jingti lakhang no daka sokar kabahe du ma lakhang ya bane company company yang unew jingti empat sekawai nganya tu ya pe baru kipriu ki khang persya ya ki kristan ma bandi yang unew jingti balai ki khang persya ya ki kristan bandi yang unew jingti ki riu ngi balai pat ki riu sta wong bau ne jungdi ya kan ka dor jugu ya ka san jugu kadai ka san atho dau numbar riu spa riu awat ka badai shisha dapat pela kompong ya ka san jong ne jungdi la ban dau riu spa riu bat kan ka tertiang jugu atho monster au ne bola ban ding pernah kabamut une jingdi ubei jingdi jong ki antichrist hangne phila ruban pe ya kajing batai jong ubei rustat shaphang jong une jingdi dia kenya pe menta hato ibatai kumno hangne pinsu tu lot baro kijing batai bat pinsu tu shai shushu.
Look at your M closely. There's a gap right here in the letter M. It's never connected. So you go into Hebrew. The letter Vav is also the number 6. Short top, long tail. Short top, long tail. You could have here in Hebrew 666 on the can. But my interest is the word monster. What do you see in the O? There's a cross.
Okay.
What has Christ got to do with an energy drink, let alone the name Monster? So I thought, well, maybe this is a Christian company then. BFC at the bottom of the can. Do you know what that stands for? That's the F word. Big can. In fact, they write it on the side of the can, so I know that's the F word.
Okay.
Now, do you know what a MILF is?
Yes.
That's on the box. MILFs dig it, and you will too. This is not a Christian company at all. So why would they have put a cross on the can? Here is the message. Antichrist. 666 in Hebrew. And then the Bible talks about the beast in Revelation. And look at Monster's ad. This is their statement. You see these M's everywhere. Hats, t-shirts, bumper stickers. Is there another agenda here? If God can use people and product, so can Satan. And look at it this way. Even if the M was not the issue, you cannot deny that that is a cross. And what is witchcraft? When the cross goes upside down. bottoms up. And the devil laughs. Something to think about.
Wow.
This is how clever Satan is and how he gets into the Christian home and a Christian's life, and it breaks God's heart. Jesus said, my people perish for lack of knowledge.
That's awesome. I've never even seen that.